Welcome back, everybody. In our last episode, I showed you how to make a pixel-perfect selection of an elephant to remove it from its background. That got me thinking, what if there was an amusement park called Elephant World and they wanted me to design a logo with curved text on the top and bottom? How would I do it? Well, it's pretty easy in Affinity Photo. I would start by using my circle shape tool on the left side of my studio to draw a colored circle around Jumbo here. Then, I would color it black and drag the circle layer under the elephant layer. For this particular logo, I want to remove the elephant shape from the circle. To do this, I can simply select the elephant layer and change the blend mode to erase. Then, I'll select both layers and merge them together. Note that this will create a new, merged layer without destroying the original layers. Next, I'm going to create another circle on top of this one. Here's a little tip. If you start from the center while holding Command or Control plus the Shift key, the shape will grow from the center. This makes it easy to perfectly place one circle on top of the other. Alright, now let's make this circle transparent by going to the Shape Fill color and sliding the opacity down to 0. To write text that curves around the new shape, select the Artistic Text tool from the left side toolbar and hover your cursor right over the edge of the circle. You'll see that the cursor changes from a little A to a little curve when you are in the right spot. Once there, click on the curve to place your text where you want it. Then, select your font and font size that you want. Now start typing. If you highlight the text, you can change the text characteristics at any point. That looks good to me. To move the text around the shape, you can click and hold on the little green triangle to drag it into place. I'm going to pull a guideline down from the ruler bar to make sure I'm perfectly centered. That's good. Now, to raise or lower the text from the curve, go to the top toolbar and click on Baseline. You can drag the slider to move the text up or down. Excellent. Now, let's make another circle. I'm going to do the same thing to write the word World at the bottom of our design. I'll click on the Artistic Text tool and hover the cursor where I want it. I'll hide the design to make it easier to see. I'll then go back to the baseline slider and move the word down so it's under the circle. And then I'll check to see that it's centered with another guideline that I'll grab from the ruler bar. That looks good to me. Now let's unhide the rest of the design. And so yeah, we now have a logo for our amusement park. Okay, while I gotcha, here are a couple other examples of how you can write text onto curves and shapes. I'll speed through them so as not to bore you. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to click on those like and subscribe buttons. My elephant and I would greatly appreciate your support. Have a great day, everyone.